Hello everyone! Please continue to watch this video if you are facing tiling defects issues, for example, hollow sound or debonding. And if you are looking for tiles on tile solutions, this would be a perfect fit. Introducing Bebond BB1 Cementitious Multipurpose Adhesive Bonding Agent. This is Kauge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Bebond BB1 is specifically designed multi-purpose water-based premium homopolymer admixture agent to improve bonding and adhesion of all kinds of cementitious products on various substrates. Some of the advantages of using Bebond BB1. Number 1. Suitable for all kinds of surfaces. Number 2. High bonding, adhesion, tensile and flexural strength to unconventional surfaces. Number 3. Suitable to bond various cementitious products such as cement grout for tiling works, plastering mortar, cement rendering, skim coating, and all cementitious screeds. Number 4. Minimize cracks. Number 5. No hacking or chipping required. Number 6. Reduce shrinkages or shrink resistance. Number 7. Time and cost saving over conventional method. Number 8. Excellent workability and simplicity. Number 9. Apply with roller, no skilled worker needed. And finally, ready to use, no dilution or stirring required. For your information, Bebond BB1 is a non-toxic and non-flammable product, available in light green in color with a packaging size of 5 liter, 15 liter and 20 liter pail for project supply. Shelf life 12 months from the date of production. Coverage approximately 10 to 20 meters square per liter. Let's talk about the 3 important usage of Bebond BB1, beginning with number 1. Tiles installation for floor and wall. For example, ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles, homogeneous tiles, marble and granite. And number 2. Tiling on all kinds of surface. For example, power float, steel, tiles, marble, granite, aluminium, glass, lightweight block, lightweight panel, and few others. Finally, number 3. Covering crack lines without hacking. Wall cracks and hollow repair. Talk only, no meaning lah. So, I'm gonna put Bebond BB1 into test by demonstrating to you tiles on tiles installation using porcelain tiles, and to make it extreme and even more challenging, I'm gonna stick both sides of the smooth surfaces. Let's start with surface preparation. Please make sure that the substrate surface is clean, free from dirt and dust. Apply a thin, continuous, unbroken and even film of Bebond BB1 to the treated surface by pressing the paint roller. Apply Bebond BB1 by using paint roller. Spraying method is not recommended. Bebond BB1 is a ready-to-use product. Do not dilute with water or any other form of liquid. Please allow Bebond BB1 to dry approximately 30 minutes before continuing with the tiling works. And please do remember that Bebond BB1 has an open time of 7 days. After the 7 days of applicable period, you need to reapply Bebond BB1 before the next application. Next, I'm gonna apply ready-mix tile adhesive. Press it firmly and leave it to dry for 24 hours. Whew. Well, it's quite heavy. Gosh, it sticks very well. Whew. Whoa, look at this. The porcelain tiles are still bonded strong together. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that all of you have witnessed the bonding strength of Bebond BB1. In the upcoming video, I'm going to introduce to you Bebond BB Bonder, grout cement additive. And with the combinations of Bebond BB1 and Bebond BB Bonder, you are going to witness another level of performance in terms of tiling and plastering. This is Scott, and I'll see you in my upcoming ATKC home improvement show. Bye bye for now.